Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with QBSS. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and now in order to access the employee portal directly, type in this address: qbss.mail.com/employeeportal/account/login. Make sure you type in the A and the L within account and login as uppercase. Once you type in this correctly, just tap on the enter button and you will directly be taken into the QBSS employee portal. Now all you need to do is type in your login credentials. So just go ahead and type in your username followed by your password. Then finally you can click on the login button and you will be logged into your employee account with QBSS Mail. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with QBSS. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next one.